Ko sa bahay may paganyan yung asawa ko. Natuwa naman ako. Thank you, my dearest. I love you. Happy anniversary. Tutuwa talaga ako. May pa-flowers ang lolo nyo. I love, happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary to you.
I thought you forget it eh.
See. Surprise, surprise.
Thank you for your surprise. I'm amazed. I'm surprised talaga. I'm surprised.
What did it say?
Really. The love, hopes, and dreams we shared are the these that bind us ever closer. Happy anniversary to my partner, my love, your loving husband. Asawa ko ng spaghetti bolognese. Happy anniversary, my love.
Happy anniversary, my dearest.
Anniversary food namin. Thank you, Lord, for the blessing.
For the anniversary.
Love for another anniversary of
That was
our wedding anniversary. My husband. Thank you, Lord. My present. Thank you, my dearest.
Oh,
Oh my God. And then my teddy bear. Love you. Thank you, my dear. Happy anniversary.
again.
More anniversary.
Anniversary.
Bye-bye.
We got one a year. That's it.